Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and today I want to show you how you can set your seats in the 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige. Let's get right to it. Right when you open up the door, you can see right here, there's a little section for you to be able to set your seats. So first off, you press set, then you go to the seat, and you apply any of the types of angles that you want in your seat with these buttons. So let's just say I sit really low. I'm like kind of short. I want this to be the settings that I want on my seat. So what I do is I press set and then I go to 1 and you'll hear that beep. And so let's just say all of a sudden your best friend goes into your car and he's just taking the Audi e-tron for a little joyride. And all of a sudden you go to your car and you're like, oh my gosh, bro, my seat. And so what you do is you hold on to 1 and the seat will actually go back to the position that you want it for yourself. And you have to hold it. That's the thing, you have to hold it. Bada bing, bada boom, it's there. Anyways guys, I hope this is a really quick and useful tutorial for y'all. If you have any questions, we'd love for you to go to our website and contact our salesman via our number. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.